Establishing a relationship with each of your prospects in affiliate marketing. It is generally a fact that in online marketing, your investment is all that matters. Of course, you have invested money and effort in establishing yourself to succeed in affiliate marketing. Because of this, you are expecting to receive what is due for you. As an entrepreneur, take into consideration establishing good relationship with each of your prospects. It is a plus factor in turning them into long-term clients and helping you to make your marketing plan a success. The point here is that you have to express to your prospects that you look on them as real people and not as like a bunch of receipts in your cash register. Make them feel that they are important in the business. It is sincerity that matters in conducting business with them. Here are some pointers that you can refer to in establishing good relationship with them based on a positive point of view. Number 1 pointer: present the best yourself, both online and offline. If you will be dealing with a prospect in person, be sure that you do not forget your personal hygiene. Have you properly groomed by wearing clean and pressed business attire? If you have a car, make sure that it is not just car, make it as your alter ego as possible. Always remember that first impressions last. You need to impress your potential client and promote your program in a way that he will grab it. In case of dealing online, have your website attractive enough for your prospects to have their eyes is stuck on it. If you are just some sort of a webmaster, provide your site with catchy fonts. Make it easy to navigate so that even new web browsers can understand what you really mean. You can also offer forums to have a dialogue with your prospects. Be courteous in answering all their queries, as much as possible in a positive tone. Remember that you are presenting the real you both on and off the web, so better make the best of it. Number 2 pointer: set up common grounds. Do not drop the whole details of the business instantly. When you will be meeting with your prospect for the first time, it will be wise in your part that you initiate some talk to draw them out a little. If in case you have seen a photograph of his family, do not be afraid to ask some polite questions about how his children are. You can also share some insights concerning your own family as well. In this way, you will not just talk of pure business. Sometimes, it helps to mix it with some light talks. It is a little bit harder to sell online. The correspondence that is available between you and your prospect is through emails and occasional phone calls. Again, be courteous. Make friendly responses. You can also incorporate in your responses something a little more personal. Tell him that you are enjoying the snowfall while answering his email or you just got back from a vacation. Number 3 pointer: soft selling. Do not just offer your program as a sort of business thing. This is why some online entrepreneurs fail to sell it. A hard sell will just make your prospects turn off. You can begin by asking his needs. Give him a chance to air his point of view about what you are offering. Remember that they like to feel that someone is willing to listen to them. Number 4 pointer: after-sales relationship. If you have made that good impression and an initial sale, the connection must not stop there. After a week, for instance, send him a personal note of thanks for the opportunity of conducting business with them. Let him know that you are always available to answer his other queries or concerns. By this, you are making him feel that you still care for him after he joined your program. Number 5 pointer: other benefits for you. Sometimes, there are problems that arises in marketing and it is out of your control, especially when it comes in internet connectivity, to fix that problem. If you have established that friendly relationship with your client, he will be likely to stand by you during critical times. You may find it more pleasant to conduct business with someone whom you have already known even just a little. Expect that the world of online marketing, there are real and fake personalities. If you have developed a real personality and established good relationship with your prospect, you will succeed in attaining their loyalty to your affiliate marketing program.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.